I was leaving about an hour early, like I normally do, to head to work, and as I was going past the green light on my side, they started rolling slowly in front of me, pretty much going. I could not avoid it. I had someone in my blind spot, and I tried to do less damage as possible and pretty much head-on collision with them. The next day is when I started having problems with my knee. Actually, my dad. He started working over here with Brooks Law Group, and he suggested it to me and told me the people to go to and contact, and that's what I did. Actually, dead honestly, I loved it. Like, y'all were contacting me with any changes, what's going on. Y'all asked for certain stuff, I was able to get it and provide it, and like the communication was there. Same with the attorney, Mike Blickensworth. Really good. Like, the communication is perfect. They also called. Y'all also called. He also called to just check up on me, say how I'm doing, how's my knee, how's the treatments. Yes, it's 10 out of 10. Like, I was satisfied. I was really happy. Everybody was contacting everybody. Like, it's hard to explain it. Like, you just have to feel it. You have to see it yourself.